northeastern Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms were producing heavy rain across a warm area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 3 to 4 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amount of 1.5 to 2.5 inches is possible in a warm area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Reading, Wyomissing, Birdsboro, Spring, Laurelville, Wilberforce, Wintersville, Robisonia, New Morgan, Spring Ridge, Shillington, and West Reading. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood damage occur in vehicles. Southern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., the severe thunderstorm was located over Mountaintop, or 8 miles south of Carbondale, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with just 10-quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations infected include Blooming Grove, Pompey, South King, Holly, Trentlaville, Westfield, Lake Ariel, Arlington, Titley, and Lakeville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Pike and Wayne,